How to fix Netflix your account cannot be used in this location error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if Netflix says that your account cannot be used in this location. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting that your account cannot be used in this location, this could be due to multiple reasons. The first reason is that if you've moved from country to country, then that way also you'll not be able to use that new account somewhere else. Another reason is if you're using any VPNs or proxy, so you can try to go ahead and then basically try to turn off any proxy or any VPN services that you're using and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, you can also try to check your device's location. You can try to turn them off in some cases because that will also help you sometimes run that particular account. Otherwise, you can make sure that hopefully it is not the modem or internet issue. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, so feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.